Good evening, myself Arun, and I am going to explain to you about operators. There are seven types of operators. There are additional operator, subtractional operator, dividing operator, multiplicative operator, unit operator, decrement operator, markers. Additional operator is it adds values. Example x plus y. Here y is the additional operator. Subtraction operator x minus y. Y is the subtraction operator. As like y. Here these are the operators. Additional operator adds two values. Subtraction operator divides one value from another. Subtracts one from another. And dividing operator divides one value with the other value. Multiplicative operator multiplies both values. Unit operator it is the value of the given element given number by 1. Decrement operator decreases the value by 1 and modulus. It gives the remainder for the divided two numbers.